until it is necessary. Include no authentication credential in your virtual images except for the key to decrypt the file system key. Means you will not provide any authentication credential to the virtualized image. At the virtualized image there will not be any authentication credential. Do not allow password based authentication for the shell access. Why not this? Do not allow the password based authentication for the shell access. If you are familiar about the Linux operating system, shell is an interface between the kernel and application. Kernel is what? Kernel is a mini operating system which can do the job of basic operating system. So if you are asking the or seeking the password at the shell level, in that case once he type the password, after that he is free to do anything. He may remove the file, he may I told you the example, previous example, rm space -rf, where the 1 lakh of website deleted due to this command. So command will be accessible through the shell and he may organize a attack. So what you can do, you must ask the password at the sudo level, means super user level. Run a host firewall and open only the minimum port necessary to support the service on an instance. Use a firewall. Generally you've seen that your servers and these firewalls, mainly the server, are deployed in the command mode, not the graphical mode. Why it is so? If it is in graphical mode, then your graphics require certain number of ports. Okay, so in that case, for the graphics, maintaining the graphics, your system has to be open lots of number of ports, and those ports can be vulnerable and a hacker can attack through those ports. Run only the required service and turn off the unused service. I already told you that turn off all the services which is not required, like turn off FTP, print service, network file service and database service if they are not required. If you are familiar that in recent days we have the institutional cams and cameras in our institute which are IP based, okay, and they are working on certain ports. So it is very easy to see any organization's camera because his port is open. So in that case, if you don't require any services, then switch off the service. Install a host based IDS such as OSSEC or SAMAN. What is the IDS is? IDS is an intrusion detection system. You have to be install the intrusion detection system that somebody is introducing in the system. Enable system auditing and event logging and log the security event to a dedicated log server. Isolate the log server with the higher security protection including the access control. Means you must maintain your log as well. If you suspect a compromise, you think that your intrusion detection system has detected a attack, in that case shut down the instances, snapshot your block volumes and backup the root file system, and you can perform forensic on an uncompromised system later. You must sit down and take the backup of it. Institute a process for patching the images in the cloud. Means you must apply patches to the images. Periodically review the log or suspicious activity. Means periodically you will review your log and suspicious activities. So that is I think sufficient for the host level security. Thank you. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.